Our black chicken in there's freaking out a little bit. Okay, we're out here looking at the eclipse, and there's the reflection of it on the table, on our outdoor table. It's slightly overcast, as you can see, but actually the slight overcast makes the sun viewable, the shape of the eclipse. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the other paper.
No, not really. I mean, I can see both papers, but I can't see anything on them.
Oh, it's okay. Anyway, that's the eclipse right there. I'm doing the little pinhole trick. Move the papers closer. It just looks like a hole. And you go like this. And look at that. You can see the banana shape of the sun as we get more coverage. Maximum is in a half hour. Look at that. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't know if that'll show up.
Well, it's noticeably darker. It'll be interesting to see if the chickens get confused when it gets to its maximum darkness. I don't know. It seems like they don't know what to do. It is noticeably darker. Chickens are not acting like their typical selves. Our black chicken in there's freaking out a little bit. She doesn't know what to do. Oh, look at that. Yes, I'm not using any kind of filter on this camera. It's just a cloud. It happens to be moving in front of it just right that the camera can properly expose for the eclipse. And we're still about 20 minutes away from, well, as total as it will get, which is about 80%. The wild birds seem to be acting their normal selves. Got a pair of scrub jays, and it's getting darker and darker. Kind of hard to tell with the camera though, because the camera will compensate its exposure to make up for the darkness. Those birds are just kind of chilling, because they say that animals get confused during solar eclipses, and our chickens were a little befuddled. Ooh, we're 15 minutes from the peak of this eclipse, and this overcast layer is actually having a very difficult time burning off because there's hardly any sun to burn it off. Normally it burns off by now, but because the moon is in the way, blocking most of the sunlight, it can't burn it off. So we may be stuck with this overcast well into the peak. There we go, we're about 10 minutes from maximum. So what's happening is the temperature is dropping, and this cloud layer is actually thickening up. Yeah. Go figure, huh? It's thickening up. Well, we are just about at max here. All the chickens are just kind of hiding out under there. They're normally out in the coop, and they're not. So this eclipse definitely has had an effect on their behavior. They just don't know what to do. They don't know if it's getting dark or you know, well, getting nighttime or what. Okay, and here we are at max. This is as covered as the sun is going to get by the moon. That's it, folks. And it's very apocalyptic. It's just so dark out here. Hard to tell. But, yeah. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this a little bit. I'm not up in Oregon, so it's not as awesome as it was up there, but you get the point. Alright, see you guys. Were you confused by that eclipse? No, I don't think you were, because you were sleeping. You're doing your little kitty things, your usual little kitty things. You were just curled up and sleeping, and you had no idea what was going on. You had no idea, did you?